Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome, giving your browsing experience a sleek and easy-on-the-eyes appearance. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome settings. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then, click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser to access the menu. Step 2. Access Appearance Settings. Next, navigate to Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you're in the settings, find and click on Appearance on the left-hand side. Step 3. Enable Dark Mode. Here comes the exciting part. In the Appearance section, you'll see the Themes option. After clicking on the options, it will take you to Chrome Web Store. Select the theme option at the right-hand side. As you can see, there are many themes options to apply. Any you like you can select, add, and apply. But let's scroll down a little bit and search for dark and black themes. In the dark and black theme, you can select any dark theme as you like. Click on just black theme and click on Add to Chrome. Just take few seconds to apply. There you go, the theme has been applied. But if you search any other web page, say youtube.com, the web page is still white. So here only the top taskbar has changed to dark. That's not enough. So let's make the web pages also to dark mode. Go back to Appearance Setting, then Theme. Click on Extensions and search for Dark Mode. Select the first Night Theme extension as it's featured by Google. Click on Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. It is downloading now. So here you can see there is extension icon, click on it. And pin the extension. Here you get the option to use for the read mode and the dark mode. Select any one of the mode. After selecting, refresh the web page. This is read mode. Now I turned off the read mode and become to dark. And that's it. You successfully enabled dark mode on Google Chrome, making your browsing experience more comfortable and stylish. If you want to further customize your dark mode experience, you can try using different themes available in the Chrome Web Store. Just search for dark themes, find one that suits your style, and add it to Chrome. And that's it. You successfully enabled dark mode on Google Chrome, making your browsing experience more comfortable and stylish. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy browsing!